Well, we're at the Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor top tier event. This is for those with platinum level and above. Free drinks. And we're going to have a little show. We'll find out what's going on here in a second. Well, there is the cruise director. Looks like he's going to talk to us a little bit.
This morning to your top tier event. We're very happy to have you all here on Allure of the Seas. We're happy we are back in Galveston as well for a few weeks. So thank you all for choosing Allure. My name is Mario, your cruise director. And before we start the event, everybody,
yeah, it looks like we're going to have a little show with the Aqua folks.
Our celebration. This is again our top tier event, and without, of course, we need a very important person right here to start the event, everybody. So please put your hands together and welcome right here on stage the master of Allure of the Seas. Please put your hands together for our captain, Captain Jeffrey, everybody.
Thank you, Mario. Well, good morning everybody and welcome on the beautiful Allure of the Seas. I'm Captain Jeffrey, I come from Belgium, and as you are loyal cruisers, I'm the only captain from Belgium, so you can't mistake me with nobody else.
Now if you are here and I call you're here, make sure you let us know that you're here. We have 460 platinum members. All members, Emerald, thank you, Emerald, welcome. Right over there, thank you everybody. And the loudest group every week, let's see this time, 349 Diamond Plus. We knew it, thank you to all our Diamond Plus, welcome back, welcome home, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here.
Yeah, they're welcoming people to the Pinnacle Club, people that's got 700 points, makes Pinnacle Club.
And let's continue with our next record.
Lady right there has got 2,438 cruise points. That's a lot of time on a cruise ship.
With our top cruiser, and let's welcome
Well, here's the top cruiser on this ship.
Her hometown is Chicago. She has a total of 2,780 points. She has been cruising with us for over 25 years. Brazil in 2015. Favorite ship is Empress of the Seas and favorite port, Rome. In Sanita.
There's the top cruiser on this one, man. 2,000. That's a lot of time at sea.
Captain Jeffrey, thank you for being here. Thank you, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, I wanted to also say thank you on behalf of my entertainment family. I hope you enjoy the entertainment activities. Thank you for choosing Allure. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for being loyal to Royal. If you have any questions about your next cruise vacation, remember, we're bringing Liberty of the Seas to Galveston, Symphony of the Seas, Icon of the Seas next year. So make sure you stop by and talk to the team in the next cruise. Once again, thank you all for coming. Enjoy this beautiful day, everybody. I will see you around the ship. Ciao, ciao. Thank you. Good day.